We are back to having no neighbors on one side of us. However, look who is only 3 spots down from us. Anybody recognize this? That's right. Joel and Deb from Chasing Our Sunshine is in the same RV park as us. Just kind of neat that we're finally able to meet in person and have a good time. We've been hanging out here and there and doing some things, so it's fun. This RV life community is amazing. To meet different people, and you know, there's a lot of people that you see online or you talk to a little bit online, and then you turn around and you meet them in person finally. So that's fun. All right, we spent the whole day making Christmas cookies here at our cousin's house. I'm going to show you guys everything that we made, and all the cousins and the sister-in-laws and everybody else, the whole family. So there are 11 different cookies that we do for our family Christmas holiday and everything else. Larika and I, we make 3, and then Larika's sister makes 3 or 4, and her cousin makes 3 or 4. There's Larika. Hello. It was a great day. It's time to start plating all the cookies and get ready. Here we go.
Hey guys, we interrupt this video to remind you to wear your blue on Tuesdays.
We want you to join us in our movement of True Blue Tuesday, to wear blue every Tuesday to support law enforcement. Being a retired police officer, this is something that's near and dear to my heart, and we really want you to join us, and let's get this to be a nationwide thing. So wear your blue on Tuesday. Off to Tortilla Flats.
Guess who had reoccurring dreams about falling off of a cliff last night?
Joel? No. Joel's a little afraid of the drive, so we had to bag him and tag him.
They still didn't put me in cuffs.
No, I do have some though. So Joel doesn't trust my driving.
Doesn't trust anybody driving.
When we're going around mountains.
Yeah, and you would not like what you're doing good in doing good in the pillowcase right here.
Yes, you are. Larika always has to remind me not to look at the views when I'm driving on roads like this.
I don't. When you're towing, for sure.
Well, no, yeah. No, even like to go into the Sun Road, you're like, stop looking.
Well.
Oh, it's so beautiful though.
Oh, I know, isn't it?
And I definitely, like you said, I could see why motorcyclists love this.
Yes.
Holy windy.
It is tight windy.
You guys haven't been to Glacier though, have you?
No.
You're gonna have to get bagged on the way out on the going to the Sun Road, but it's worth it.
Oh,
Joel, it's some of the most beautiful views and hikes.
Just put a bag over your head, because it's worth it when you get there.
It is.
Or just sit on the one side of the car, so
Yeah.
you can't see, because it's really on the one, like that one side. But,
yeah. If you leave west, it's the right side, and then on the way back, you're against the mountain. So, yeah, we're
like
we're in the canyon now.
Yeah.
We're going back down now.
Right here.
We are at Tortilla Flats with Deb and Joel from Chasing Our Sunshine. We're gonna go meet up with one of their viewers that wanted to meet up with them, and Deb and Joel were nice enough to invite us along. And well, I had to drive because Joel had a bag over his head. So,
well, Deb would have been driving.
Yeah, that's true.
He still would have had the bag over his head.
He still would have had the bag over his head.
And it would have been worse.
But this is one of those places that, you know, we've lived here in Arizona pretty much our whole life, and I don't remember the last time I was here.
I don't think I ever have come here.
We feel like tourists in our own hometown.
How often do people say that happens?
Yeah, it happens all the time.
It's true.
It does.
Because you don't get out and
Yeah.
explore your own state.
Yeah, get out and explore your own place. Go somewhere 10 miles within where you live.
Yep.
20, 30, it don't matter. It happens.
Explore your hometown.
I'm running down the road, trying to loosen my load, got a world of trouble on my mind. Gotta take it easy. Wanna take it easy.
We ate lunch at the Superstition Saloon here at Tortilla Flat. It was really good.
It was very good.
It was very good. I had a chili burger,
I had a cheeseburger.
And a couple of beers, or
Yes.
one beer each. I'm the
Put my
driver.
glasses on, so we have.
Ah,
Yeah, I said they
music.
were gonna play Alan Jackson.
There we go. Good music playing.
Yeah, the guy out here that sings live, they're really good.
Yes.
So
If you're ever here, you got to come by.
very, very cute.
Again,
Oh.
we're tourists in our own hometown.
Watch your fingers on the side of here.
Is that what it says? Watch your
Oh, it's a little one. That's so cute.
Just for the little juvenile delinquents.
Enter at your own risk.
Injuries and accidents of any kind.
Cell mechanism. Oh, it's a puzzle lock. So you can actually reset it and get locked in there. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Oh, emergency unlock right there.
You gonna go in?
Make sure you check out those places that are in your hometown. You know, being tourists in our own hometown. Now that we were there, I don't know if I've ever been here. Looking back on it,
I can confirm.
I think I was thinking about a different place.
I feel like I've always heard about it, but we've
Yes.
never gone.
So yeah,
It's a little bit of a twisty turny to get here.
lots of twisty turnies.
Some are real sharp too, so go slow.
Well, yeah.
You do anyway, but yeah. It's pretty though.
But yeah, when you're on the road and you go back to your home or your home base for the holidays or wherever you're doing, go be a tourist in your own hometown. Check out those things that maybe you've never thought about going and seeing. This is definitely one of them. I'm glad we did it. Tortilla Flat, outside of Apache Junction, Arizona. You go just up the 89 past Canyon Lake, and you get there, and trust me, you can't miss it. Because once you get to Tortilla Flat, the road pretty much ends. So we are getting the RV hand washed and waxed today. We haven't done that. It's been about 14 months since we've owned it, and we figured it was time. And there's a guy that comes around the RV parks, and he's probably done most of the RVs here in the RV park where we're at here in Apache Junction. So we bit the bullet, and we're gonna have him do a full hand wash and wax, which is gonna be amazing. I've seen his work, and I've seen a lot of the other RVs that he's done, and he does a good job. He does great work. So we're looking forward to it. My only issue is the weather, that it's cool and there's actually some rain in the forecast, over the next 3 or 4 days. But you know, it's winter time. It's one of those things, but we are due. So even if it does rain a little bit, it's still going to be clean and we won't have the dirt running off. So we're looking forward to it. We are actually going to take off and do some Christmas shopping today while he's here getting it all washed and waxed, because you guys know what it's like being in an RV when it rains. All the water being on it, it just echoes, and not really something I want to be sitting in the RV all day while they're spraying it and water and everything else. So Rick and I are going to go Christmas shopping and get that done today. Is a great excuse to get out early and get a great start and have a good day. So I'll show you the results when we get back. We are striking out so far on the Christmas shopping today. Malls just don't have it anymore. And it's a nice cool day. I decided to come out in just shorts and a t-shirt because it said it was supposed to be 75 today.
And he's cold.
And I'm a little cold. I don't think it's above 60.
Yeah, it's a little chilly this morning.
But
we gotta keep going because we gotta finish today.
yep, a few more stores. We gotta keep trying. I don't know how long we're gonna stay here in the mall, but we'll figure it out. It is a beautiful day though.
It's kind of dreary. Huh.
Well, it's better than 2 days ago. It was 81 degrees here in Arizona in December. So it's kind of nice. It actually feels like winter now. Alrighty, we just got back. And boy, oh boy, does it look good. We did a great job on the RV. It's clean, it's shiny. You got a lot of the scratches off, or at least they're not as visible anymore. I will take it. Definitely take it. We finally got some winter here in Apache Junction. Larica's getting ready to go out with some friends, and I figured I'd run around the corner real quick and take some cool pictures of the Superstition Mountains all covered in clouds. Hasn't gotten any snow on them yet, but every once in a while you will get some snow on the top of the Superstitions there, and they look pretty cool. But I wanted to come out and get some pictures with my new camera, and it looks really cool. You can't even see the top of the Superstitions right now, but it's a really cool view. It really is. You know, again, we've said it before. You know, be a tourist in your own backyard, in your own hometown.
10, 9,